Hello everyone, I am getting ready to tear down my current rig. It's running an Athlon 8350, 16 gigs of RAM, an GTX 980 Ti, BFG 1000 watt power supply. It's a 990 FX Sabertooth revision 2. Here we have an XSPC res pump combo. 240 mil radiator up there. She's a little dirty. Maintenanced her, I don't know, about a month ago. My house is pretty dusty. But yeah, got some upgrade parts, and I'll be seeing you soon. Alright, so these are some of the parts we are upgrading with. Here we have Ryzen 1600 AF, 6 cores, 12 threads, some Vinci Intel PX 3200, 16 gigs, DDR4, and this barrel water block, which I'm having an extremely hard time getting the box open without destroying it. But here is a shot of the number. If you're curious, I'll also be showing it, after it's installed, of course. The rest of the parts that I'm going with are in this box. I'll be reusing the power supply, the case, radiator fans, probably do the internal plumbing over, but let's see what we have in here. I started to open it, but did not finish. Alright, what do we have? Alright, so here is the pump. EK series pump. And the motherboard. Asus Prime B450 Plus. Let's take a little bit of a closer look. Alright, so here we have the Prime board. I'll go into detail about this stuff a little later on. This is currently my only system, so I currently have no computer until I get this up and running again. So this video is going to be short and sweet. The next time you see me, the build will be back up and running. I've got to tell you, this water block and res pump combo have been amazing. I mean, look at that. It's a nice solid AM3 water block, and this still works just fine. I just wanted to change my aesthetics. I may use this in a different build. Alright, well, I hadn't planned on recording much of this just because I have no way to actually set up my phone to record while I do the work, but see about, get as much as I can here. Check out the processor. It should be an 8350. And here we have the XSPC water block. At a later date, I am actually going to pull this apart, as this has been in my system and running with, I believe, 2 water changes in a 7-year span. So it'll be interesting to see what the inside of it looks like. Alright, here's a quick shot of the new motherboard in. New LPX memory, 3200 megahertz, 980 Ti, 1000 watt BFG power supply. Let's fire it up, see if it works.